Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your system. Back up the registry and create a restore point because changes can break Windows. Once done, run Registry Editor as administrator using Start or Win+R and regedit. Then navigate to H-key local machine /system /current control, set /control /priority control so you're in the right key. Make sure you see priority control. If missing, you'll create it in the next step. This is the critical foundation. Don't skip the backup and admin launch. Now you'll add or edit the values that change process priority handling. Once in priority control, create a DWORD named Win32 priority separation if it's not present. Set it to 0x26 hex, which equals 38 decimal for balanced foreground boost, or adjust as needed for stronger boost. Make sure to pick DWORD 32-bit. You can also add game-specific keys under HKLM or use per process tokens later. After setting the value, double-check spelling and base before saving. Incorrect entries cause no effect or instability. Finish by restarting Windows so the registry changes take effect, because priority behavior is loaded at boot. Once the system is back, launch your game and confirm priority changes with Task Manager or Process Explorer. Make sure the game receives the intended foreground boost. If you encounter instability, restore your exported registry or delete the added DWORD and reboot. For persistent issues, revert to your restore point and test a smaller Win32 priority separation value. Undo changes one at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.